Just look at this view. I love this place so much. I try to hike here every time I come home.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay.
Happy New Year and welcome to 2019. I figure it's time to change things up a bit. It's been a wild couple of years creating all these city guides and traveling all over the globe, but I think it's time for a change. Last year in 2018, I flew on 53 flights and visited 23 countries and barely showed you any of it. I really just showed you the highlights of some of the places and not even all of them. This year, that's gonna change. So for 2019, I want to intermix my usual drone-filled city guide style videos with more personal content, following my life in real time, so you know where I am and what's going on. Starting with, well, today.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
Right now, I am hiking my favorite hike in the entire world, Torrey Pines State Beach, right here in my hometown of San Diego, California. That's right, I'm home. I just wrapped up 3 months in Africa along with a wild New Year's Eve. And don't worry, that content is coming. Actually, I'll give you a sneak peek right now. Now, in addition to that sort of footage, I'm also going to be sharing with you a lot more personal life updates. I'm going to give you more insight into my daily life, how I research new places, plan and book trips, my packing strategies, and teach you things I've learned from traveling as much as I have, let you know when things go wrong and when they go so right. I just want to be more real, more authentic, and have this channel be a reflection of me. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. You have great timing because stuff is about to get a lot more real. And if you're returning, welcome back. I hope you like the new stuff. Stay tuned because I have new and a lot more content coming. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and I'll see you guys in the next video.